Good day. We're going to start the mole, which really is where we get into the chemistry, by looking at the objectives. This means things, concepts that you should understand by the time we get around to testing the mole. It's important to keep up with this section. If you do, traditionally students do quite well in this section. So one of the things is you're going to have to know something called relative atomic mass. So the atomic masses in the periodic table will start to make more sense. Number two, we're not too worried about. Number three, very easy, knowing what a mole represents. Number four, being able to go from mass to moles and moles to mass, some nice conversions. And number five, we keep going, and now all of a sudden we start worrying about particles. But we also have to know the difference between element and compound. Number six says we do what we've been doing in number five, but now we have to deal with diatomic elements. The Hal knows. And we have to know the difference between atoms, molecules, and formula units. Then once we understand the first half of the mole, then we start applying it to things like empirical formulas and percent composition. They're relatively straightforward. And then we extend it into something called molarity, which is related to concentration. And not listed here, but we also have molar volume. So the idea is, when you look at this, hopefully a lot of this doesn't make sense. And when you look at this sheet again at the end of the unit, then you'll say, whoa, this really wasn't that hard. And it will demonstrate to you that you actually learned something. So that is the goal.